segment. So, tawagan ka lang mamaya yung nag-try mag-text.
Okay.
Yun ang problema kasi sa akin nag-text naka-live yung phone ko. Alright, so ano po yung spotlight of the week po natin? Push mo yan, Ryan. So, again, to our followers and listeners, welcome back to Fiesta Werarapa Pinoy Radio. Today is May 26. Samahan niyo po kami from 4 to 5:30. Okay, so ang gaya na sabi ko kanina, our spotlight of the week is the continuation of over the last few weeks. So ito part 3 na to siya. It is all about the Filipino Kiwi Hero Awards. This is to spotlight the 2025 honorees. So I got the whole list of recipients for the upcoming awarding ceremony at Fiesta Filipinas. So in Auckland, New Zealand's Filipino community is preparing to honor its brightest stars at the upcoming Filipino Kiwi Hero Awards, the flagship event of Fiesta Filipinas, to be held on Saturday, the 7th of June. That's 2 weeks away at the Auckland Showgrounds. First launched in 2014 by Mel Fernandez, editor-in-chief of Filipino News New Zealand, the country's longest-running Filipino community newspaper. The awards are New Zealand's premier recognition program celebrating the achievement and contribution of Filipino Kiwis across the country. More than 150 individuals have been honored to date for their excellence and service in fields such as business, healthcare, the arts, civic engagement, youth leadership, and sports. These awards give voice to modern-day heroes, Filipino Kiwis who uplift their communities and embody the values we hold dear, said Mel, who founded the awards over a decade ago to inspire pride and unity in the growing Filipino population in Aotearoa. A grassroots approach to recognition. What sets the Filipino Kiwi Hero Awards apart from its community-driven process? Nominations come from the public, and finalists are selected through interviews and peer feedback, ensuring authenticity and integrity in every accolade. The 2025 awardees were announced. Leading this year's honors is Virgie Russell, named the Filipino Kiwi Hero Award of the Year for her long-standing leadership and community work in Auckland. Virgie Russell is the current chair of the CAPO, Council of Auckland Filipino Organizations, or CAPO.
Council
Yeah.
of Auckland Filipino
Organizations. Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, Ate Chat. Good afternoon. Magandang hapon.
Oh.
Marinig mo ako?
Oh.
Oh. Live po kayo sa Fiesta Werarapa Pinoy Radio.
Wag din pagban.
Naririnig kita, chat.
Naririnig ka ng buong madlang people.
Yeah.
So random lang sete kasi ikaw ang napili for today. Ikaw ang napili for today to try to answer the riddle of the week. So ibibigay ko yung riddle, subukan mo lang i-answer. Kung hindi, okay lang, walang problema.
Ito pa pero wako kasi unsa man ang riddle ninyo.
Yeah, so sasabihin ko yung riddle and then hulaan mo na lang, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, sige. So, in Filipino, ako'y hindi buhay, pero pwedeng magpatigil ng puso. Ako'y tahimik, pero lumilikha ng ingay sa isipan. Ako'y iniwasan, pero minsan hinahanap. Sa dulo ko, minsan may simula. Ano ako? In English, I am not alive, but I can stop a heart. I am quiet, yet I echo in your mind. I'm often avoided, sometimes sought. At my end, there may be a beginning. What am I?
Love. I don't know.
Pareho tayo.
Pareho kayo ng sagot. Love or pag-ibig. Ang sagot din ni Ate Kini.
Hindi.
Unfortunately, hindi ito eh. So, sorry. Okay lang. Thank you for trying though.
Yeah.
Thank you, chat. Pareho tayo.
So,
Kaya tayo.
pareho kayo ng sagot pero unfortunately mali sa Ate Chat. So okay lang. So any personal shout out, baka meron kang gustong i-shout out diyan para marinig ng madlang people.
Oh. Shout out sa mga nag-organize yesterday. It was a good and successful event for the Filipino community. Yan. Shout out ni Bing at ni Juby. Kudos to you.
Yeah, sa iyo din syempre. So yung sinasabi na event, successful event ni Ate Chat is the first Filipino Catholic Communities Santa Cruzan of 2025. So
Shout out pati si Ami na nag-prepare ng mga pagkain.
yeah.
For
Yeah.
eating. Yeah.
That was really good.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so anybody else before tayo mag sign off?
Wala na, have a good afternoon to all of you.
Okay. Thank you Ate Chat. Yeah, enjoy the rest of the night.
Sige.
Okay, bye-bye.
Salamat, Chat.
Bye-bye. Yeah, thank you, Ken.
Yun. Love din yung sagot. Pero mali po. So, sino yung may mga chance? Mamaya, tatawagan ko yung nag-text. Kasi, atat talaga eh. Listening daw siya eh. So, tatapusin ko lang yung yung segment ko. So, yung honorees leading this year's honors, like I said, is Ma'am Bergie Russell, named the Filipino Kiwi Hero Award for long-standing leadership and community work in Auckland. So, who are the other winners for this year? The winners include Cultural Group of the Year, Ritmo Filipino of Christchurch, and Kelston Girls Cultural Group in Auckland. The Community Radio of the Year, of course, Fiesta Wairarapa Pinoy Radio. We got that award. Thank you so much. And then the Media Personalities of the Year, namely the host of Fiesta Wairarapa, Kini Vermeulen and Rica Visperas. The Creative Arts Award goes to Harvey Colina, the visual artist in Christchurch. Ito, na-feature ko siya last week. And then Youth Achievement Awards goes to OCNZ Youth in Auckland. Hindi ko alam anong ibig sabihin ng OCNZ. I still have to research that actually. And then the Filipino Kiwi Influencer of the Year is Locavore Eats by AG and Eliana Siblings of Auckland. Ito yung na-feature ko rin last week. And then the Business Excellence Awards goes to Mang Joe's Chicken Inasal and Gian Sorbetes, both Auckland-based businesses. So congratulations. And then the Chef of the Year of 2025 goes to Hapunan Filipino Cuisine in Auckland. The Sports Person of the Year is Mariel Denise Venida of Auckland. Ang daming Auckland ngayon And then of course, the Woman of the Year goes to Abby Hinlo of Auckland as well. So yun po yung mga recipients this coming June 7 sa Auckland Showgrounds to celebrate Independence Day, the Fiesta Pilipinas. So the cultural showcase at Fiesta Pilipinas, the award ceremony is the centerpiece of the event, a vibrant day-long festival celebrating Philippine Independence Day. The event running from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. featuring traditional Filipino street food including halo-halo, lechon, and chicken inasal. Cultural performances from music to dance and fashion. And then of course the Filipino Kiwi Music Award showcasing rising and established talents. Admission is free for everybody. So yung mga hindi pa nakabili ng ticket o gusto mag-travel by land and then check-in na lang doon sa Auckland, prepare na kasi it's coming up 2 weeks time.
That would be next Saturday.
Not this Saturday, next Saturday na.
Yes.
So it is a call to celebrate and connect. Community members are encouraged to support the program, nominate future heroes, or simply attend and celebrate Filipino pride. For more information, visit filipinoheroes.nz or email filipinonews@extra.co.nz. These stories are more than award citations. They're reminders of what we can achieve when we lift each other up, says Mel. Together, we continue to build a proud, united Filipino Kiwi community. As Fiesta Pilipinas 2025 approaches, the stage is set not just for entertainment, but for honoring courage, culture, and community spirit. So yan po yung ito na yung final salvo ng Filipino Kiwi Award. So next week, palipad na yan sila Ate Kini by next week na. Right, so ano po yung mga events and other announcements that I have. After 7 years of proudly representing the Wairarapa in local leagues and Filipino basketball community, Jetrix Ronyo has played his final game. It was an emotional farewell surrounded by teammates, friends, and his loving family. So ito yung championship, naglaro sila. In his loving family, wife Maha and their 2 children, who have supported him in every step of the way. Due to health reasons, Jetrix is retiring from the sport he loves. His dedication, passion, and leadership have left a lasting mark on the court and in the community. So, in behalf of everybody, thank you, Jetrix, for being a true role model. And good luck sa future endeavors mo. Baka kunin na lang kitang referee na lang siguro kung kaya pa ng health mo. But yeah, so that's a special announcement to a great basketball player that who've been playing in our league for the last 7 years. Right, so and then of course, yung this coming Saturday, yung May 31 is the King's birthday. We will have the Wellington Sports Intercity Tournament, which we have a delegation from the Wairarapa going, led by our very own Boyet Cardines and Richelle Perales. So sila so Boyet Cardines will be sending 3 teams of basketball, yung youth, under 13, under 16 at saka yung open. And then Richelle will be sending the women's volleyball team to the King's Birthday Intercity Competition. And then of course, para sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Wairarapa community, mark your dates or ano ba tawag yan?
Calendars.
Yeah, mark your calendars or book the date. This coming July 12 will be our Bingo Extravaganza fundraiser and at the same time society election of officers. So nominations will be open this coming 1st of June for the new sets of officers. Pero yung focus mo, paki-blot out po ng date ninyo, magiging this bingo bonanza or extravaganza will be worthwhile. We will post the details on our group pages for you to know where it will be happening, ano po yung mga prices, and how much will be the cost of each bingo ticket.
And what time as well?
Excuse me. Yes, kasama yung time. Ipopost lahat namin yan and then we will reinforce it over the next shows namin. Right. Excuse me, sorry. Lalamunan. Anyway, so personal shout out ko lang po to my family. I've been in Wellington over the weekend. Thank you so much to my kids, Riani, Rainier, and Renee for having us. At least mayroong matambayan ba sa Wellington, which is really good. So keep up, stay healthy, stay safe over there, and we will see you this coming weekend again. So biyahe na naman kami.
That's good.
So
you
yeah.
visit them almost every weekend?
Yeah, pretty much. Na ano lang yun kasi 'di ba may liga nga kaya medyo busy ako. Pero si Mitch nun every weekend nandun talaga siya.
Oh, that's nice.
And then shout out ko na lang din gaya ng sabi nga ni Ate Chat on the phone. Congratulations to the Wairarapa Filipino Catholic Council headed by Beng White and the rest of the council members for the successful event, the Santa Cruzan 2025. Sa mga mga reyna natin, thank you so much. Yung mga angels, yung mga anak nila, thank you so much. And of course, yung mga behind the scenes people, gaya na nabanggit ni Ate Chat, kasama siya doon, Ate Chat, at si Juby, si Ate Juby, si Ate Ami for the food, preparations and stuff. And then of course, the rest of the members of the congregation, like VIP or Voices in Praise, yung choir, who did the music ministry for the celebrated mass. And then of course, thank you din kay Father Noel from the Hut, kasi wala si Father Dennis. Nag-sabbatical si Father Dennis, si Father Noel, who's also Filipino, came and then of course, thank you so much to Father Penny and Father Matt, who were present during the event as well. Yun yung mga resident priest ng Wairarapa. Who else pa pwede natin dun sa Santa Cruzan? And then kasi si Mitch Reyna din eh.
So somebody posted some photos.
Yeah, that's quite good. So, maraming Reyna. There are so many angels. I cannot remember everybody. Baka may missed out ako eh. So, yung mga behind the scenes na lang ng mga tao, katulad ni, sino ba yung nasa likod? Si Marlene, si Yani, yun. Kasi
Si Yani dumating din.
hindi Yani ko, yung ibang Yani. For helping out in the kitchen.
Yes.
And then of course, sila sino ba yung mga sa security?
So did you meet at St.
si Dexter at saka si Simo. At saka si Bro Chris.
Saan yung venue?
Sa Chanel. Sa Chanel ginanap. And of course, overall, ang overall coordinator, of course, walang iba kundi si Beng White.
Yes.
Siya yung talaga lahat.
That's really good that it started to have a Santa Cruzan. Kasi I think it's the first time.
Very first na sa actual Santa Cruzan ito that celebrated Flores de Mayo. Kasi ginamit natin ang Santa Cruzan or Flores de Mayo as a theme sa Christmas parade.
That was really good.
But that was many years ago, more than a decade ago na yun. Yung maliliit pa yung mga bata ngayon, may mga anak na yung mga batang yun.
That was beautiful though.
That was in, I think it was in 2010, something like that. Tagal na talaga yun. Tagal na talaga yun. Pero ito talaga ang very first Santa Cruzan of the Wairarapa, which is really good. Right, so I think that's me for my segment.
Did you want to go back to the riddle?
Hindi, tama. Thank you. So, going back to the riddle kasi kinukulit ako nitong isa.
Yeah.
Tawagan nga natin kasi ayaw talaga magpatalo. Okay, subukan natin.
So, hope he's there listening or she's there listening.
Hindi, tatawagan natin kasi ibig sabihin, wala siya sa appointment niya. Hello, nasa appointment ka ba ngayon o wala?
Yeah, kasi nandito ako sa parking sa harap ng tawag dito, hospital.
Okay. You
Okay.
don't want to miss out. Tingnan mo.
Sige daw, narinig mo na yung babanggitin ko pa ba uli yung yung riddle?
Hindi, banggitin mo ulit please para ma-refresh yung memory ko.
Pambihira. Ito, ang kausap po natin ay walang iba kundi yung host na si Rica Bisperas. Ito yung bugtong mo. Bigyan kita chance. Ako'y hindi buhay pero pwedeng magpatigil ng puso. Ako'y tahimik pero lumilika ng ingay sa isipan. Ako'y iniwasan pero minsan hinahanap. Sa dulo ko, minsan may simula. Ano ako? In English, I am not alive but I can stop a heart. I am quiet, yet I echo in your mind. I'm often avoided, sometimes sought, but at my end, there may be a beginning. What am I?
Okay. Wow, napaka-hard to. Okay. Ilan ba ang question na pwede?
Anong question? Isa lang.
One chance.
One chance lang.
Okay, so I am not alive, an echo. Silent?
Congratulations, Rica! Tama! Silence is the correct answer. Or katahimikan. Galing Parang ginugel.
Paano mo nasagot yan, ha?
Ginugel. Yay! Okay, congratulations Rika for winning our third riddle. Since we started our riddle of the week. So, i-claim mo na lang yung i-claim mo na lang yung $30 mo sa sarili mo.
Pwede bang libre?
Ibigay ko rin sa ang tawag nito, sa bingo natin.
Pwede din, pwede din. So, again, congratulations. Yeah, so congratulations again, Rika. And any personal shout out before we go back to Atikini?
Anong nangyari nun?
Naputol.
Naputol ka?
Hindi, may tumawag.
Okay. So, wala nang ibang tumawag, right? Si Rika na bali yung winner? Or...
Yeah, si Rika na yung winner.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
So, that's good. Okay. Shall we go to our song break then?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
this will be Sunrise by Fred Ingay. Dedicated to all of you. Here we go. Sunrise.